After grate foaming the back end, I cut it with a knife and then used a sander to sand it down, and then that piece of PVC pipe came and attached to the butt of the spider at the front here. And then you see that open T there. It was set up so I could run battery operated lights for the eyes. What I'm doing here is using contact glue and 6mm poly that you can buy in a roll. I cut it down into sheets and then glued it on the spider's back abdomen, covering the entire thing so I could paint it. If you've never used contact glue, the way it operates is you paint it on both surfaces and then let it dry. As you can see, that discolorization of the foam, and then once it's dried, it actually sticks to itself. You can now see the back was skinned and had its first painting, and I used tape, aluminum foil, and foam to create the face, and then used a battery operated pack light for the eyes. Here's my homemade foam spreader in action. And how I built it was I took paint stir sticks and cut them into 3-inch pieces, and then I took sheetrock screws, put them at the end, and just using 1-inch blue painter's tape basically made like a sandwich. Then on the other end put another screw, now put the tape over it, put the tape from the other side, and like I said, we have a sandwich. Then we squeeze the grate foam tube into the sandwich and then seal off the back. All I was trying to do was make sure that there were no places where grape foam could shoot out on the backside. Please like and subscribe.